They're resting. Oh, they're up there sleeping. Red pandas. Oh, they're playing around. Oh. Oh yeah, Mesozoic adventure. And mga dinosaur naman dito. Let's go. Yan. Ito tayo sa Mesozoic. Mga dinosaurs. Dinosaur. This one looks really scary. Parang totoo, no? Oh my gulay. Parang totoo. Dimorphodon. Pterodactyl. And then this one is, I'm not sure what this is. Si mama, enjoy si mother dear. Lobat ng cellphone pero picture video pa din. So big. So big. Makita mga kamay nila, ang liliit. Ayan, menu. Here, okay? What are you gonna eat? Food?
I just have a drink.
What kind of food? Are you sure you're not hungry? Oh, eat na. These are the nachos. Kain. Ang nabili namin ay $59.61. Okay. Ang nabili? Oo. Eat na, eat na. Burger. Half ng slice ng pizza. Ubus na. Ngayon ay iikot ulit tayo. Iikot ulit tayo sa zoo. Tapos na kumain. Big tree. Ang laki. Oh, go! Soeng! Ride the horse! Wow naman! Parang maging bata eh, no? nandito kami sa resting area. Nag-aantay kami ng time sa train kasi yung train is 2 o'clock. So 1:34 pa lang. So mag-aantay kami mag 2 o'clock and then sasakay kami ng train. So yung train is $42 plus tax na yun for 5 person. Pumili na tayo sa train at baka maubusan tayo ng seats. Maya-maya uwi na rin tayo. Ganyan lang.
Wala ka na rin. Mga takbong 30.
Mas ka pa makakarating sa trabaho.
Sa karating ka, mas pogi nga na.
Ilang minutes na lang? 7 minutes. 7 minutes na lang. So, inaantay muna namin yung train dito. Look at the train. It's here.
Please do make sure that you stay seated for the entire train ride and keep your arms and legs inside the train car. You will see me sticking my arm out of the train.
Aboard!
Fantastic! Off we go! And as we exit the train station, on our right-hand side, we've got some very tall fences. And behind those very tall fences are our very tall giraffes. Known for being the tallest land mammals, reaching heights of up to 6 meters tall. That's almost 20. It's your wolf howls. I'll be listening. I'll see you again on the other side. Fantastic. As you exit the tunnel on your right-hand side to get a better look at those flamingos, and on our left is the pathway that leads to our North American wild swan. You might notice that layer of also in this area of the zoo are shadow art the zoo thanks to the Salmon River Restoration Project. The Salmon River flows throughout the lower mainland and is home not only to salmon but also to the Salish sucker, which is an endangered species of fish here in BC. And on our right we've got a few members of our gray wolf pack. They just come out for the gray wolf animal spotlight. Gray wolves are the largest living canines that are still wild in North America. I know it might be pronounced canis, actually. On our left is our Mesozoic Adventure Dino Park, home to our dinosaurs. Through the gates we'll see our Ankylosaurus, and we've also got our Brachiosaurus friend poking his head out to say hello. And on our right will be one of our Adaxes. He likes to hang out just past the crest of the hill, so you might just see the tips of his horns with some white fur. Adaxes are native to the Sahara Desert, and they can actually go their entire lives without drinking a single drop of water. Wow. They can get all of the moisture that their bodies need from the plants that they eat. Then at the very bottom of the hill there is Ibbot. He is our dromedary camel. Bamboo is not very nutritionally dense, so red pandas have to eat a lot of it in order to get enough food. We've got the rest of our Adaxes here, and past the second fence is Oscar, our Persian onager, has been downgraded from extinct to threatened. They're doing much better. We have the Greater Vancouver. Then on our left, we've got our zebras, Sahara and Karoo. You know, scientists have determined that zebras are in fact black, with their fur is black as well. To Sarsdorf, Cebu cattle train, and wish you a wild and warm day.
it. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Hindi, yung isang ka pa. Yung isa. You're right. Yan. You're right, Put. Hindi makapedal si ano, si Sowen. Let's go home. Zoe. Going home now. Ayan guys, uwi na kami. Simula 9 o'clock hanggang 3:17 nandito kami. So, sulit naman. Yan guys, nakauwi na kami. Nakakapagod pero masaya. Okay, sulit naman yung punta namin dun sa Vancouver Zoo. So, sige guys, hanggang dito na lang muna yung video ko. See you again next time and thank you for watching. Bye! God bless!